How to use the Refine Edge for better selection. After importing your image, go to the Layers dock, right-click the image and choose the Rasterize option. Once done, go to the Properties dock and click Select Subject. After that, go to the Tools bar, select the Quick Selection tool, and add other areas you want in your selection. Then, from the Options bar, click Select and Mask. This opens a masking page, revealing the Refine Edge option, as well as the Refine Edge brush tool. Click the Refine Edge option, and make your adjustments using the sliders on the side till you get your desired result, then click OK.